This is a push-up press variation I've been experimenting with for shoulder health. So thinking about pushing through the index finger and thumb, on this case, my right hand, I'm inhaling as I'm reaching, watching to lock out through that right elbow. Thinking about pushing through the underside of my armpit and lower shoulder blade on the right. Exhale as I transition and inhale as my arm reaches up and breathing into the chest. Trying hard not to rotate through the pelvis, which is a bit of a challenge, but keeping that movement to the upper body and the rib cage. A lot of us like to use more of the front side of the shoulder, so I'm really visualizing utilizing the serratus that wraps around and those smaller stabilizer muscles on the shoulder area to push and keep me level here. Also getting some movement and rotation at the rib cage. This is much harder than it looks. You'll also feel a lot of obliques because those wrap around and connect into the rib cage. This plays and kind of translates to something like a push-up. You want to think about being able to push through, connect with the hand, and this is going to help relieve some tension on the front of the shoulder.